My name is David Drake, and I'm co-director of the Reuse Design Laboratory at Washington State University. I'd like to introduce a technology developed by our lab to eliminate a problematic waste material from landfills worldwide. Every year in the United States alone, over 10 million tons of gypsum drywall waste from building construction and demolition is landfilled. Not only is this a waste of land and mineral resources, it also poses a threat to human health and quality of life. To solve this problem, our lab has developed Drywall Waste Blocks, or DWB. DWB is composed of up to 90% gypsum drywall waste, along with other waste materials. DWB is lighter than conventional concrete masonry and has 10 times the insulation value. DWB can be made in a variety of textures and colors for use as an interior wall system. Using low-value waste to make new high-performance building products. Waste is the problem, we design solutions.